we have seen. Now, management of working capital. How I am going to manage the working capital of my company? So, working capital is the lifeblood of an enterprise, because if you don't properly manage your working capital, your company might not do as well as you think. So, how to manage working capital? Managing working capital can be considered as the different components as we have seen below. So, first one is management of cash. So, how you are going to manage the flow of cash in your company? So, controlling the level of cash. So, minimizing the unwanted expenditures and maximizing your sales, you can control the level of cash your company is possessing. Controlling inflow of cash and outflow of cash. Controlling inflow means everything has to come through proper channel only, and outflow means whether any unwanted expenses you are going to make, you are going to reduce that. So that is going to be the outflow of cash. An optimum use of surplus cash. If you have surplus cash, how you can use that beneficially for the company, whether you are going to invest it as a deposit account and you're going to maximize the cash, or you're going to deposit invest in shares. So that is going to be the management of cash. So in management of cash, you will be having inflow, outflow, and surplus cash. In surplus cash, how we are going to manage the surplus amount of cash. Next one is inventory. The management of inventory, you are going to have EOQ model, economic order quantity, and ABC analysis. So you are going to do these two things to manage your inventory. Management of account receivable. So amount of goods sold on credit with a view to increase the volume of sales. So you are increasing the volume of sales, and you are not getting money immediately after the sales. You are just getting money. You are selling the goods on credit. You are not selling the goods with the view of making money, but in the view of increasing the volume of sales. Need to be maintained at optimum size. So it has to be maintained in optimum size. Management of accounts payable. So emerged due to credit purchase or loaning of goods and inventories, buy now and pay later. So you can buy the goods now and you can pay later. So these are the different methods of managing your working capital. So very important thing in companies managing the working capital, because you have to ensure that if it is not properly done, things are going to be very difficult for